Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Earlier today, I got really excited about a video that I can go, if I want to rotate this, Corel thinks this is the center, but I want to be in the center of the page. I can go alternate P and type in a number of half my page size, and now the thing is there. And I thought that's pretty cool, but you got to type in 20 every time. And I sent this email to a couple of my mentors, and Roy Brewer, my main mentor, kind of questioned how I stumbled on that. Well, Mr. Brewer, I kind of found out where that center rotation little window is that pops up. If we go to, well, we're just going to write a script, and I'll show you, to make it a one key or two key deal where we don't have to type in. I'm going to go to Tools and Scripts, yours might say Macros, and I'm going to start recording. I'm going to call it center and say, okay. Now I'm recording, but there's no hurry. I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, Transform. I'm going to click on my item, and I'm going to type in 20 right here. I don't even have to hit apply. I'm just going to hit enter. Now you can see the rotation is there. I'm going to go to Windows, or excuse me, Tools, Scripts, and stop recording. Now I'm going to put this center rotation back to where it was by backing up. I'm going to click on my item. I'm going to go to Tools and Scripts and Macros or Scripts. Go to the center and double click on it. Click off of it. The center rotation is put to the center of the page. Now we can even make that better by right-clicking that and assigning a keyboard stroke. And I've already done one called alternate C. I think it's a pretty good one. Alternate P for if you don't do the macro, and you can make it any letter if you can find one that's not being used. So if you look, the center rotation is there. I'm going to go alternate C, and now my center rotation is in the center of the page where I want it to rotate my item, regardless of what it is. So with one key, I can, let's put this back. So this is our normal rotation area right here, but I'm going to alternate C. And, well, if you don't hit the X, you get that. And now my center rotation. And so if I didn't use guidelines, let's back up here, put the center rotation where it should be. And I'm having to guess where the center of the page is. I don't have to guess anymore. Alternate C. Then you basically have to click off of it to do it. But there's the center rotation, and we put our guidelines back, and it's right in the center. Pretty cool. Hope it helps you. Thank you for watching.